Welcome to today's video, and I have a question for you. Would you like to earn 40 grand a month whilst living on a sailboat? And this all comes in as passive income. I think many of you would, maybe not the boat so much, but in today's video I'm going to share with you and break down how someone is doing this exact thing. They are earning a hell of a lot of money in passive income. And look, there are many different ways of earning online and from home. Whether we are looking at things like affiliate marketing, whether it's YouTube, whether it's side hustles earning from home, there's lots of ways you can do this. So let me share with you today's video, and I'll share with you free tools and resources that you can use yourself if you want to go down this route. Okay, I'm not going to share anything about boats though. So let's come over here. Now look at this for a headline. 33-year-old mom makes 40 grand a month in passive income and lives on a sailboat, and now only works 2 hours a day. Now look, that is the headline, okay? And let's be absolutely upfront and open about this. Whilst this may be true at this moment in time, it didn't happen overnight. It's not, it does take time. It does take effort. But as you can see on the screen here, to work for 2 hours a day and earn 40 grand a month whilst living on a boat is pretty awesome, isn't it? Now, a lot of the time when you see these articles, you could think, they've made it up and other things. I know for a fact this is 100% true because I've been following this lady online in the blogging world for a number of years. So you can see on here in 2011, Michelle, this is the lady by the way, she started a personal finance blog. It's called Making Sense of Sense. And basically, it went from, it went from starting slow to wonderful things. She paid off a student debt. Today, she lives on a sailboat with a husband and a daughter and basically travels, living the dream, as many of you would say. Now, here she goes down and gives her advice for starting her own business, okay? And we can see she's got, batch task, automate, start a newsletter, get comfortable with delegating, diversify your income streams. But look, this money, what she's all earning, 40 grand a month, comes from her blog or website. So if I come over here, I'll show you it. This is what it looks like, okay? This is it. Making money, saving money, and then she's got different categories on here, okay? So if I just click on blog, and I'll show you this now, scroll down here. This is her blog, okay? Now, inside of here, she has all of these different methods for earning online. So you can see how to make money blogging, how to save income, how I graduated, 75 ways to make extra money. Inside of these articles, okay, scroll down, I'll show you this. This is how this person is making their money. So number one is, so you see this over here, this is whereby she's getting people's name and emails so she can then follow up with them, which is this down here, which is her newsletter here, ConvertKit newsletter. So that there, she's getting people's names and addresses so she can follow up with them at a later date. But you see this here, look, answer surveys. That is an affiliate link. That is an affiliate link, etc. All of these ones here are affiliate links. So anytime somebody clicks one of these and opens up an account, which is free to open up, any of these, Michelle will earn an affiliate income, okay? Scroll further down the page here. This is an affiliate link. I think you get the point, okay? So she's creating content online and she monetizes with affiliate links, okay? Affiliate marketing. The bulk of her money, I know, from here, even though it's not mentioned inside of this article over here, came from creating her own course. So what happened here is she went ahead, created this website over here, or blog, and she started creating content around, making money, saving money, and other bits. But then, once she'd got a bit of experience and she'd earned some money, she went ahead and created her own course, which was this one here. This was the first one, affiliate marketing course. Or was it how to start a blog? It was one of these. But basically, look, learn how I went from zero in affiliate income to over 50 grand per month. So this is someone who's got success and skills online, and she's bundled it all up into a course. Now, this one here will teach you how to do affiliate marketing with a blog. Scroll on here, you can see this now costs $197. That is one of her courses, okay? So this here is what she was talking about when she says down here about that. Look, diversify your income streams, okay? So she started off with this over here, look, affiliate marketing and banner ads, and then she went into online courses. So she established the blog, made money with affiliate marketing and also ads. Then once she started to see success, she then went ahead and created her own course. Now the first course, which was the first course? It wasn't this one. I think it was this one maybe. This one down here, how to start a blog. It wasn't that one, no. Maybe she's removed it, but is it this one? Sponsored post, is that another one? What's this one over here? Sponsored posts. It's not. So that one there is $190. But the whole process of this is we create a blog or a website around something that you're interested in, have knowledge in, have skills in, or is it even a hobby of yours? Because believe it or not, you can create a blog around anything, okay? And once you've started creating some content and you start to get some traction, you can then monetize with banner ads. So again, if we go back over here, we can see, you see here, banner ads, annoying advertisements on websites, okay? But in terms of the affiliate links, you can sign up and become an affiliate for lots of products pretty much straight away. You can partner up with Amazon, you can partner up with eBay, you can partner up with Etsy. There's lots of ways that you can do this. And here's a cool thing, okay? You can do this completely for free. So what did Michelle do in this example, and how could you do this yourself? Well, number one is we'll go ahead and we create a website. Now there are lots of different platforms you can use for this, okay? Over on my website here, over on Not Taught at School, I have got, if I go over to resources page, I've actually got an article on here of creating a blog. And there's lots of information on here. We've got links to affiliate networks. You know, there's lots of different ways you can do this. But more recently, I use this one over here. It's called Wealthy Affiliate, and it says, you can see, do you want to turn your passion into a thriving online business? It's absolutely free. Now, the cool thing about this one over here is, okay, they will give you a website. You can design it. Now, it's literally, you can see on here, it's drag and drop onto your website. And inside of here, so you get a free website. Inside of here, they show you how to partner up with all of the different companies and brands. They also share with you how to structure your articles, how to create them the right way. And it's just an awesome platform for learning about this whole, niche blogging, creating a website. They've been around for, you can see here, 18 years in business, 193 countries, and over 2.6 million members, okay? So it's awesome. Now, I'll put a link to this down below for you, and once you go ahead and create your free account, this is what it looks like on the inside. So each week, they have these classes that you can take part in, and you can see what's going on. So there's lots of different things in here. It's for beginners, experts, people who are further down the road, okay? You can see these are some of the different some of the different workshops that are coming up. So like this one over here, tactics to boost your rankings and optimize your website. They also have a community tab here on the right hand side, so you can go ahead and ask any questions inside of here. They've got top blogs, so you can see what's trending on here. They've got hot topics, new classes, training. If I come up here, they've got a full training section on here. You can go through and learn about all of the different parts, okay? But essentially, this whole process isn't difficult. It just takes some time and effort, okay? So you would come onto, and you don't have to use Wealthy Affiliate, but it's just one that I use. I recommend it, and you can start for free. But step one is, we would go ahead and we'd think about creating a blog or a website in a certain category or niche. Once we've done that part, we'd then go and find products that we can sign up for and become an affiliate. Now, you'd need an affiliate network for that. So you can go over to platforms like, you could go to, you could go to ClickBank, you could also go to ShareASale. I know this is very popular with many blog owners and website owners. You can come on a platform like this, and instead of you signing up to, say, Amazon's associate program and Etsy's program and eBay's and all these individual ones, you can come onto this, which is known as an affiliate network. Now, on here, you can see down here, they've got 25,000 merchants. So all of these companies are all in one place. So you're not having to create accounts all over. You can come to a platform like this. And if you scroll down here, look, they've got examples of, well, these are companies who are actually inside of this platform. So you can sign up and get affiliate links for, look, Etsy, BuzzFeed, Reebok, Honey, all of these different companies, and you get given your own link. Then you put that link inside of the articles, like you can see over here. All of these are affiliate links, and you can do that pretty much from day one. It's not difficult to do this. Inside of this Wealthy Affiliate over here, They show you how to do all of this literally step by step, okay? And as I mentioned, it's free. So you can go ahead and create a website with these guys. You could even create a free one using Google Websites, because that's free. So you can type in, not Google Earth, Google Websites. Google website, you can go on here and create a free website inside of Google. And then we just start creating your content. Once you get to a certain point whereby you're earning some money, then you can look at expanding it. So Michelle went ahead and did in this, she went ahead and started off with, you can see, affiliate marketing. Then she started including banner ads, and then eventually added in online courses. There are more ways you can monetize a blog. You can create something called sponsored posts, whereby somebody will pay you to put an article on their website. You could also go down the route of creating review websites or review blogs. So for example, over on my website here, and I go to product reviews, I will go ahead and review different products or softwares which are coming into the marketplace, like this one down here or like this one here. And all I'm doing is I'm just sharing about the product, I'm sharing about the price, what's included in this. And basically, again, it's the same concept. It's an affiliate link. So if anybody was to go ahead and buy this product using my link on the page here, which is, where is it? Blimey, here, someone clicks there, goes over and buys that product, I earn an affiliate link. Not an affiliate link, I earn an affiliate commission. Now, the one tip I would give to you if you are going to go down this route of creating a blog or a website or a niche website is create evergreen content, okay? You don't want to spend a long time reviewing a product that might not be here, you know, in a month or in a couple of months from now. You want to be focusing on evergreen content, and inside of your evergreen content, you want to be including evergreen affiliate products. And that's basically it. So if you have any comments or questions about this method, I will leave it down below for you. But overall, it's a great way for you to start building an income stream. And once you've built up an income stream, you can diversify into many more ways. Over here in the university, we look at building multiple income streams, but then once we've got one up and running, we then look at another one. So like here, we've got affiliate marketing, then we've got YouTube, then we've got starting an online agency, then we look at creating printables. And there's lots of ways that you can go ahead and start building up an income stream online. But the whole process is we start one, we get it to a point where it's making money, and then we look at adding in an additional one. Okay, so look, I will drop links to everything down below for you. But either way, you know, going back to this article over here, it started in, when did it start? It started in 2011 for Michelle. So that's what, 12 years ago now. But, you know, for putting in the time and effort, now she gets to work for just 2 hours a day and earns 40 grand a month in passive income. It's awesome, isn't it? So yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.